Welcome to episode 3 of our Ready, Set, Go exam countdown series. Results are out. How did you do? The release of exam results is an important moment that can evoke a range of emotions, and we're here to guide you through it. My name is Maiki, and in this video we delve deeper into the art of self-reflection, a tool that can turn past experiences into future successes. Whether you're celebrating a pass or contemplating a fail, it's important to recognise that each exam serves as a valuable lesson. For those who passed, try to pinpoint what helped you. Was it careful planning, disciplined study time, or perhaps a particular revision technique? Identifying what worked for you is essential. And if this wasn't your moment, don't lose motivation. This is supposed to be a challenge. Remind yourself of your achievements so far. They're proof of your potential and a reminder of your capabilities. Failing an exam is an uncomfortable and disappointing experience, but you are not alone. And whilst it may not feel like it now, this is an opportunity for growth. Whether you passed or not, reflection is your secret weapon for success. It transforms experience into expertise. Every exam, pass or fail, is a chance to sharpen your skills and expand your knowledge. So what does self-reflection look like? You must take an honest look at the experience and dissect your recent attempt step by step, including your preparation, study habits, revision techniques, and the exam itself. By analysing the effectiveness of each phase, you can formulate a strategy for your next exam. Ask yourself honest questions. Here are some ideas to guide you through the process. Firstly, what were your strengths? Identifying your strong areas can help you leverage them more effectively in future exams. These are the habits you want to maintain, the ones that will carry you closer towards your end goal. Next, what strategies and learning techniques worked well? Understanding what works for you can inform your approach to studying and revising next time. Ask yourself, what lessons have you learned? Every exam teaches us something new, be it about the subject matter or our personal study methods. There will be useful learnings to take forward from your last exam experience, so try to identify what these are. Finally, what will you change for next time? Honest and constructive criticism can be uncomfortable, but recognising areas for improvement is crucial for continuous development. And if you were unsuccessful in your last exam, you cannot implement the same strategy as last time and expect different results. Something needs to change. Once you've taken time to reflect on your last exam, you should consider how your results impact your overarching study plan. If you passed, you're in a strong position to push forward and replicate your learning strategy for your next exam. If you failed, you need to spend some time adapting existing plans and deciding on next steps. For example, if you narrowly missed a pass, it's probably better to resit as soon as you can. This way, you can capitalise on the knowledge you've gained and your last attempt is still fresh in your mind. Although the next exam session might seem far off, the time to act is now. With the standard exam entry deadline approaching, get your next exam booked and build on the progress you've made so far. Keep your spirits high and your goals in sight. Remember, this journey is meant to test you. Revisit your goals regularly and remind yourself of the reasons behind your pursuit of the ACCA qualification. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and keep pushing forward.